Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting.
Assalamu alaikum. So this is Masjid Istiqlal, which is in Jakarta, one of the major masjids here, and it holds a lot of musallis. Nice big car park.
Greater than this world, move mountains with its word, fixed every part of me and put my heart at ease. And Allah knows words heal the soul, most beautiful of miracles. The more you read.
So Masjid Istiqlal is the largest mosque in this area. It holds prayer areas for male and female. So you can see the female is on that side at the moment. I presume when it gets busy, they segregate it even further. Looks absolutely amazing, and they have multiple different floors. Subhanallah.
الروح شفاء للصدور آياته جمال تحلو به الحياة قلبي يشتاق إليه نور بين يديه
Look at the size of that dome.
للجنة علم يقين هدي مبين.
Amazing. I don't know what to say. On par with some of the masjids we've seen around the world, like the ones in Turkey, the ones in Pakistan. Amazing, mashallah.
يقرأ القرآن القرآن نور وبيان القرآن هدي الإيمان القرآن مسك الختام يا قرآن عليك سلام اللهم اجعل القرآن العظيم ربيع.
So this masjid holds between 120 to 200,000 musallis, and it took about 16-17 years for it to be constructed. I think it was done in the late 1970s. The actual architect behind it is a Christian person. However, the work is done is phenomenal, mashallah. This is absolutely brilliant, mashallah. So this is the ablution wudu area for Masjid Istiqlal. It looks massive.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So many dreams, yeah.
That's the toilet area over there.
I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have.